$3,000 in passive income by copy trading with RoboForex. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stay with me, guys. What's up, you guys, and welcome back on my channel for yet another RoboForex copy trading video. In this video, I want to show you the results of the past couple of weeks that have been absolutely off the charts. We made more than 30% in passive income throughout the last month alone. And I also want to show you how we can take this investment and put it on a whole another level. To show you all the results and numbers, I prepared an Excel sheet right here with a couple of calculators, which we will touch on later in this video. I think a very powerful tool to give you guys a clear look what is possible with this type of investment. For everybody who doesn't know what I'm talking about here, we are talking about copy trading, a German professional trader with more than 12 years of experience. His name is David Franke and he has his own trading company, lives in Dubai, and also has publicly available social media accounts. So his digital footprint is very clear. Now let's go over the results of the past 21 days. We can see in the copy trading right here, days active, 21 trading days. And in 21 trading days, he made us a clear profit of 32.6%. Absolutely ridiculous. In this weekly profit chart right here, we can see that every week until right now, we closed in a profit and we started off strong with more than 9% in the first week, almost made another 9% in the third week. And now in week 5, and we only have Wednesday today, we're already up 6.5%. And one of the best days of this journey was actually the first day I joined David Franke in his copy trading, because on the first day, on 23rd of January 2023, we made a whopping 5.95% in clear profit and closed the week with 9.35%. As you can see, in week 1 and 2, he didn't make any trades on Friday. Why was that? His daily goal is 1% profit in every single trading day from Monday to Friday. But in week 1 and 2, he already reached his goal of 5% per week on Thursday, so he just took a day off on Friday. In week 3, we had another massive week with 8.86% in profit, and in week 4, we had our first losing day. On Monday, 13th of February, we closed the day with a minus of -6.51%. Throughout this week, we made it back and ended it with another profit of 2.9%. So just the day after our first loss, we made 5.29% in profit. On Tuesday, 1.99, on Wednesday, 1.14 on Thursday, and a clear-cut 1% on Friday. The current trading week is another very strong week, 1.06% on Monday, 3.69% on Tuesday, and on today, as of right now, 1.88%. So in this week alone, on Wednesday, we are already up 6.64%. Now, you may ask, why is the trader doing this and what is he earning from that? The trader has a trading performance fee of 30%. So on every Saturday, 30% of your profits are taken away from your account and automatically transferred to the trader's account. So for example, in the first week, we made $46.74. 30% of this, so let's say about $13 or $14, went from my account to his account on Saturday. All of this happens automatically. You don't have anything to do with this. The first week, we started with $495.14. Let's check out our account. So in our account right here, we can see that my current balance is $668.66. And in the meantime, I also opened up a couple of other trading accounts. So I now have 5 trading accounts open, copying different kind of traders. But the best results as of right now, and the most consistent, has been with David Franke, Wall Street Bet. Link to RoboForex, link to David Franke's trader account, and the setup guide is all down below in the description. But keep in mind, guys, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. This is a high risk investment with potential bigger drawdowns all the way up to a total loss. Please keep that in mind. Make your own research and make your own investment decision. We want to earn 1% every trading day. That basically means per week we earn the same amount of money like an investment fund throughout the whole year. So this is a very risky investment with very high upside potential. As you can see, 1 month in, we are up over 30%. Insane. Let's check out our calculator. So what can we expect from this investment? Let's say we started with a budget of $1,000 and we have a daily profit of 1% every trading day. Throughout 1 month of 30 days, we have an estimated trading days of 22 days. So our daily earnings are $10 and our monthly earning, given 22 trading days per month, are $220. Now, if we go down to 0.7% per day, so let's pretend our trader makes 1% every day, but we have this 30% performance fee. Let's go with 0.7%. We would earn $154 every month. So as of right now, I still have almost $4,000 in a crypto futures copy trading account. And I'm thinking about taking this away and putting it into this copy trading on RoboForex. Combining this with my current account, I would have $4,500 in this account. Pretending with 0.7% per day, this would earn me $31.5 every single day. We can see that currently in my journey, my profit per day is 1.63%. Let's just theoretically put in this number right here. This would earn me $1,600 every single month. But let's take this to a whole nother level. Let's check out my Eazybot account, what I'm trading with right there, and let's pretend putting all of this into this copy trading. So here we are in my Eazybot dashboard, and let's check out how much money I have assigned to the bots. So I have assigned $21,810 to 25 current active bots. Let's take this amount of money and put it in my calculator. $21,810 with a current daily profit of 1.63% would earn me $7,821 every single month. Now again, keep in mind this is a theoretical number and everything would have to go in our way to reach to this point. Pretending 0.7% per day, still $3,300 every single month, $150 per day. Insane, guys. I'll also put a salary calculator up here where you can choose your monthly salary, whatever you want to earn per month. So let's say $2,500. You put your expected profit per day on the trading days in here, and then the calculator shows you your needed investment capital. So let's pretend we want to make $500 every single month with 0.7% in daily profit. So we would need $3,246 as our investment. And you can just play around with this number, show your results. So the calculators are not to shoot for the stars. Like I said, if we put 1.63% right here with all of my Eazybot capital, we would earn $7,800 every single month. Now we don't want to shoot for the stars, but we can really just play around a little bit, set ourselves some goals, put some realistic numbers in here. So let's say we want to earn $400 every single month, and we say, okay, the trader is not performing up to his standards, just earns 0.5% every single day. We would need $3,600 then. So really, just play around a little bit, make yourself some goals and really some reachable numbers. Again, if you want to know more about RoboForex copy trading, I have 2 or 3 videos already up on my YouTube account. Check them out. Please leave a like if you find this interesting. Again, step-by-step guide how to get started. All of this is down below in the description. But really quick, after you set up your account, you go to Accounts, Real Account, and open up a trading account. You want to choose a real account, trading platform, Metatrader 4, account type, Metatrader 4 Pro, currency US dollars, leverage 1 to 1000. Choose your own password and confirm the password. This is a password for this trading account only. Type in affiliate code RGZF. If you want to support me and my channel, would really mean the world to me. Thank you so much. After you open up your trading account, you have to verify your profile. So go to profile and verification, load up your documents for the KYC right here. After that, go to funds, deposit a little bit of money. You at least need $120. After all of this is done and you have enough balance on your account, you can choose the link down below in the description. This will lead you directly to the trader. You can scroll down and just go to sub to the trader. And after that, everything is set up. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye.